Let's speedrun economics in 1 minute and 30 seconds. No textbooks, no politicians, no crying. Just the entire system that controls your money explained like you're 5, but aggressive. By the way, if you've ever wondered why houses cost more than your soul, keep watching. Economics is just this. Humans want stuff. There isn't enough stuff, so we argue about it. That's literally it. But wait, why does everything keep getting more expensive even though your salary doesn't? We'll get there. Supply and demand. People want chicken nuggets. There aren't enough nuggets. Nugget price goes bam. Now watch what happens when the government gets involved. Inflation is when your money goes jogging and comes back weaker. Same money, less power. And yes, they do this on purpose. Don't worry, it gets worse. GDP is basically the country's report card. High GDP equals rich country. Low GDP equals we're eating instant noodles again. But rich doesn't always mean rich. Let me explain. Eggs cost $6 because inflation. Rent is insane because supply scarcity. Salary still $3,000 because your boss thinks it's still 2008. Want to know why a billionaire pays less tax than you? Stay with me. USA prints money and everyone just says okay. Switzerland sells watches that cost more than your house. Poor countries, history, corruption, and bad luck speedrunning. And yes, your country could get richer, but it probably won't. Here's why. The economy is not real. It's all vibes and agreements. Money only has value because we all pretend it does. Want proof? If everyone stopped believing in money at the same time, it's game over. That's why recessions happen. That's why stuff costs more. That's why you can't afford a house, and it's not your fault, mostly.